Thinking about starting your own digital marketing agency? Here's a quick guide to get you started. Step 1. Learn the basics. Understand SEO, PPC, content marketing, and social media management. There are plenty of online courses to help you get started. Step 2. Build your network. Connect with potential clients and industry professionals. Networking is key to finding your first clients. Step 3. Create your online presence. Build a professional website and showcase your services and past work. Make sure your site is optimized for search engines. Step 4. Assemble your team. Hire or partner with experts in different areas of digital marketing to offer comprehensive services. Step 5. Develop your strategy. Tailor your marketing strategies to meet the specific needs of your clients and track your results to continuously improve. Ready to launch your digital marketing agency? Follow these steps and start building your digital empire today. Follow us for more business ideas and be a partner of our club.